Hi, today I'm producing CAT S53 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first the control panel, and if you want to add here some of the options or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of the icons, we should click here to this edit icon and scroll down. Here you'll see this section with invisible options, and to add them to your panel you should just hold it and drag it to the subsection. To remove some of them from here, by the same way, hold it and drag it to the down section. And to change the positions of the icons on the panel, you should just hold it and drag it. To save the changes, click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.